Let's practice 4-5 moves. 3 types. Okay, the first move is down, left, left, right, right, up. Next move is for the separation technique. Up here, out, up here, back, down, back, down. We start at the left hand side, so I'm gonna start this with the right hand side also. Up, out, up, back, down, back, down. Okay. The last one should be the I will call is the moving technique. Maybe move this from here to here. Okay, I will show you how. At the first, start at the left hand side. Okay, up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Okay, and then I will start from the right hand side. Up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Okay, that's it. Pretty easy.